So we are hiking in the North Country Trail.
Yep.
We're actually hiking for 8 miles today. A bit rainy and it is 10:44. So we're hoping to be done at 3 p.m. because we have a dinner to attend. Special dinner, special celebration.
Parents' anniversary.
Yes, your dad is surprising your mom. I don't even know why it's a surprise, but I think it makes her happy to see us. Yeah. It's a beautiful view here. Yeah.
Colors are starting to come out.
Exactly. Colors. Okay, taking a first video or photo. We already had 1 mile. On this hike, we have 7 more miles.
This life of time that's given to us all, it gathers round each night, each night.
I don't really count it that way because that's very depressing. We have the neon yellow here. It looks so pretty. You can go. You shall not pass. That's what Gandalf said. We've unboxed the tack thin cases and I kept that, and that is really nice. For now, we're going to be reviewing the Apple silicone cases, and we are gonna start with the neon yellow. I decided to choose the cosmic orange as my iPhone 17 Pro Max color. I already have planned ahead. Let's say I was not scared to go wild and be challenged to pair this with different colors. First impression on this case, reaction or first impression when it was released, and this is popping color. Neon yellow and the orange or cosmic orange. Look at that. I was already been eyeing on the neon yellow because I just like how it looks and it's so bright. I would agree that neon yellow color appropriate color for fall because of this beautiful colors behind me, the leaf changing and all that. So I think this is the color first before it gets super yellow. Really loving this case. At first when I unboxed it, it felt really smooth, and even right now I have used it for a couple of hours, still feeling soft. grippy. I have my MagSafe phone grip from Pop Sockets, but I stopped using it for now so that you guys can see what this looks like with the Cosmic Orange.
High five. Okay, we're almost back. Less than a mile. And that chicken chimichanga is sounding real good right now. You don't know what you're getting yet?
No. Maybe
Taco?
Tacos?
Taco fajitas?
And a margarita?
Ooh. Back to the car. Time to go to dinner.